212 days ago, another war started. Not in Ukraine, but in Israel. Yes, Israel against Hamas. And there's almost a ceasefire. But the people in Gaza are suffering. Anyway, about enough about the war. Let me continue with the third and last regular puzzle. In today's newspaper of Monday, May the 6th, 2024. And I've already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4 stars Sudoku. These puzzles, turns out it's a 0 stars because I'm faster than 13 minutes. So publish more. We don't need any more easy puzzles. Give us a challenge. Yeah, give us a challenge. Anyway, the binary. This one will be number 8492. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 28 printed digits. It's indicated with 3 stars, and for 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes. Well, I don't think I need a lot of time for a binary puzzle. What kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 by 10 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 5 ones and 5 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Let me start with the double O's. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Now the double ones. Double 1, here no, there no. Double ones, 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 here no, there no. Now the double O's. Double O, here one, there one. Double O's. Here one, there one. And double ones, here no, there no. Let me see. Between double ones, here no, there no. Double ones, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in 1. Between two ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3. Oh, double O, here one, there one. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Between the ones comes an O. Between the O's comes an 1. Between the ones comes an O. 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 Between the O's comes an 1. Between the O's comes an 1. Between the O's comes an 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Between the O's comes an 1. Now, come on. What's happening now? 1, 2, 3. I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one. So that box should be an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. And let me see. Now 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Come on. 1, 2, 3. I know between a 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third one, third O, fourth O, fifth O. So those two boxes should be a 1 then. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between the ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. So the rest are O's. How about here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. So the rest are O's. Between the O's comes in 1. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well. How about here? 1, 2, 3. Nah. Hey, we need to compare. Compare the columns, I believe. We have a double 1 here. Here we have a double 1. O 1. Nope, not the same. How about here? Double O. Here we have a double O. 1 O. 1 O. Not the same. Okay. How about here? 101. Here we have a 101. Double O. Oh, wait. 101. No. Not the same. How about here? Oh. 1. 01. Double O. Double 1. Yeah. This column. And that column. Okay. O. 1. O. 1. O. Empty box. 1. So we need to switch these two digits. We have 1 here. This should be an O. We have O here. This should be a 1. But it's not helping me. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. If I place number 5 here, then we have 3 1s in a row in this row. Not allowed, one of the rules. So this can be an O. This should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's. Finished in 7 minutes. Well, we solved it again. And I like this one, yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And we will meet again tomorrow. Yeah. Tomorrow, Tuesday. So have a great and fantastic Monday. Until then, bye-bye for now.